My brother has been thinking about getting a new Tesla car instead of, you know, the car that he has now, which is the Prius, for a really long time. And he's been telling me, he's like, I really want to get the Tesla because it's charging and it's free and it's cheap and it's so good and it's amazing and it drives itself. So today we're gonna go check out what's it called, a Tesla dealership in Orlando. We just reached Orlando and we're just cleaning out the back. We're waiting for our good friend Asad. He's gonna come with us today to go to the Tesla dealership, not Toyota. What do you think the Tesla car is gonna be like? Is it gonna be amazing?
Well, you know, I've never driven a full electric car, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna be wild. I'm ready to feel that smoothness, you know, without that combustion engine.
Oh yeah, definitely.
On the road. But yeah, I'm hoping for smoothness.
You gonna buy it today?
Don't tempt me, because I swear to God, if enough people say it, I will buy it. I will buy it today.
Ooh.
Today.
Yeah, be safe. He says he forgot his mask. There we go, he got some mask. If we want to have fun, we have to have fun safely.
Let's go, dude, let's go.
It's right here.
Hold on, I don't see Tesla, but they say Tesla's here.
I see Telemundo, no Tesla.
Yo, this is weird. I swear, I typed in Tesla Orlando, I thought there was only one.
But like, no.
But we have an appointment at 3 and now it's 2:30.
True.
So we do.
Facts. How far is Maitland from everything? Is it like far out there?
Right now it says it's 26 minutes.
But do they have Panda Express there though?
We just arrived at the Tesla like showroom right now. There's a lot of Teslas around, so we're gonna go ahead. We got our masks on just for safety, and we're still gonna test this. And there goes the Tesla right now as it goes by. Look at that.
These Teslas around me, I don't even know. I might just buy the whole store, you know? Yo, I'm gonna buy the whole store. Let's go.
What do you think?
I think I have to drive my Tesla right now. Wait, come to my Tesla.
Please introduce us to the Tesla. Oh, I see. This isn't yours?
Yeah.
This one? Is it? Oh, this one? Oh, I see.
Oh, so this is your car. Yeah. So I'll just sit in it and like, you know. My kids don't have to worry about that. So.
Yeah, your kids don't have to worry. They can drive too, you know? Fully electric car. Whoa, that is so fast! How fast does it go?
0 to 60. I feel like, is it really 0 to 60? Because it feels like 0 to 100.
I know. Oh my god, it's so fast. Like initially, when we got the car and we're just like driving around, we're like, oh, it's gonna be cool, you know. But now that all three of us have like driven it and seen what it looks like, it just looks so cool. It's so fast. It's crazy. And like every one of us is invested. Are you guys all invested?
Definitely. Now watch this. 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god! Holy! Oh my god! Oh my god! Like there's no delay. It's like not like a slow. It's just like boom.
Oh, this is not right.
Wait,
how fast this
wait,
car
hold on.
goes.
Where's your drone? Your drone's back there. We didn't take it out of the air.
Why didn't you take it out of the air?
I forgot. Literally, after I got the shot, I jumped in the car. I said, okay, let's go. We gotta go return the car because our test driving time is almost up. And then right as we're driving down the road, I'm looking, wait, where's the drone? And I realized I left the drone in the sky and we drove off and then we had to come back. Thankfully, we still found the drone. It wasn't gone or anything. No one took it. It didn't fall out of the sky. So that's good news. This car that he's letting us test drive now is a lot faster than the one we just drove. It's in the color black, which is the color Mahmoud wants, and it looks super sweet. This guy is telling us there's a mode. The mode is called Ludicrous mode and Ludicrous Plus, which is a totally different like speed class from the one that we just drove. So we're gonna see how fast it goes. We're gonna test it on the road. This is going to be really, really cool. So overall, guys, we're really happy with the showroom. The showroom was like the highlight of like the last 6 months in America for us, because we haven't done anything for 6 months because we're all quarantined. What have you done? You went to Antarctica like last year. All right, guys, so yeah, like the Teslas were so fast. They're so much faster than your car.
Y'all, so they're roasting me because they think my Prius actually can't compete with a Tesla. Y'all want to see this thing? Let me show y'all. Let's go.
It's not gonna happen. This is Tesla on Craigslist.
0 to 60 in 2.5 minutes.
There's a huge difference in reaction between driving like a normal car and being in a Tesla when someone slams the accelerator. It's so instant. We go from this to this.
Okay guys, so which place has Panda Express and the thing you guys want?
But now we're heading back. And whenever you drive a Tesla, like if you drive it for the first time, your perspective changes when you drive it. And you know, it really changed for us today, didn't it?
Yeah, it was wild. Absolutely wild.
It's like you think you're gonna go to a Tesla dealership and you think like, oh, I'm just gonna see a cool car, but it's so much more than that. You should go and drive a Tesla today and experience it and see what it is. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me for more of my videos. Also, Mac, he has his own channel. He's repping it. He's also gonna have a vlog for this. It's probably gonna come out a little bit later than mine, but keep your eyes for that. Yeah, peeled for that. Yeah. Ciao.